After the 10 minutes, ó sì lọ jàre. Èyí tó ṣe pé òyìn tó wọn àti Bímbọ́ ṣe ni. Mm. After 10 minutes, I just come out. Time later, sha. Má sùn ilé, owó náà, fi ń wówó. Who is here? Is everybody here? Let me know when you're here so we can start. Everyone is here yet? Where did we stop? What was that? AI trading is very, very bad. It's not a good thing. Like AI cannot trade. AI is just guessing. There's when it comes to trading, there's a lot of things like there's a lot of decision that comes into trading. I see a lot of people making videos about AI trading or this thing, but you you that wants to be a trader, you should not even be thinking about that possibility. Like if you are coming into trading with that mindset, you failed already. Your sole focus should be you trying to be a better analyst on your own, because it's a skill set. When you have the skill set, nothing can take it away from you. So where did I stop? What was I saying? Okay, so external range liquidity and structural liquidity. So now we've spoken about the trend line liquidity. Now we have equal high liquidities. Equal high liquidity is just an area where you see something like this, and you see something like this, you see something like this right here. This equal high is right here. It's a very strong magnetic pull for the market. Like this is an area where like a very strong magnetic pull for the area. So if the market creates something like this, it will surely come and take it out. We have the same thing here. We have the same thing here also. You see, this is the relative equal high also. So this is a relative equal high also, and so equal highs and equal lows are like very strong place. This is another equal high, and the market will always come and take them out. Uh, who is retracting the message? Why are you retracting your message, Daniel? So you can see the market will always come and take equal highs. This liquidity you get, the market will always come and take them equal highs, equal lows. Like whenever you are in a trend, let's say you are selling, and the market creates an equal low before going up, the market will come and take out the equal low, because that's a very strong area to come and take from. You get, that's a very strong liquidity area, because it shows that the people here are very, very strong, the others here are very, very strong. So when price came to that area, it pushed again, so markets will come back that area and come and take that area out. You understand? So an equal high, this is what an equal high looks like a high that is very, very close to each other. You see this high right here, it's the same thing as this place. So these two places, I tell you, a swing high or swing low is an area where liquidity is resting. So when they now become two, it now becomes a magnet that draws price to come to that place because now it is very, very strong. Imagine we have this equal high here that is very, very close to another equal high on the same place. You get? So we have this swing high here, another swing high here, and they are like equal. You get? So it's a very, very strong area for liquidity. So this is what an equal high liquidity looks like. Do you understand? The concept of an equal high and equal low is just like this. An equal high is just like, okay, let's say the market is in a downtrend, you know, and we have something like this coming here, respecting here before going. You get? So this place now becomes equal high. You get? So this is the high liquidity draw. The market would, like when the market is coming to come and take out liquidity, it will aim for those places. Those places are where you are going to put your take profit because the market is coming to come and take the orders there. You guys understand? Okay. So equal high is just like relative equal high. It's the same thing as the name. Equal high, equal low. When you see an equal high and equal low in the market, it's a very strong place where liquidity is resting at. Hello? Can you guys hear me? That wasn't me cracking. That was the music I was saying. So basically, the equal high is is like an area where two highs are perpendicular to each other. The previous high did not take the new high. The previous high did not take the new high, but they just came very very close to each other, and they you get very very close to each other. They came very close to each other. So that's just it. So on this high right here, there is a high. There's liquidity resting on those high. Which one you spending? Which one you sabi? Shit. All right now. When they whine me, when they enter me. So do you understand? Like these things, you are not going to get it. You are not going to get it at this thing. You are not going to get it at the goal. It's going to be very very confusing. So, but when you put like when you back test, you will start getting it a little bit, a little bit, a little bit, a little bit. You get so that's it. If I explain more than I'm explaining to you now, you're not going to get it at the goal. Like you need to take like 2, 3 to 4 trial. When you go on multiple chat and you start seeing it yourself, yeah, that's when you start understanding. And when I teach you about something, like you don't need to wait for just my own explanation. My work is to show you the direction. My work is to show you the direction. So the way how you approach the direction is left to you. You get. So you can go and listen. You can go to YouTube and go and find more information that will help you, that will make you understand it better in your own way. You get. There's still more, but because of this thing, I don't want you guys to be confused. Like I want to talk about structural liquidity now, but that structural liquidity is even harder than this one that we are talking about. So uh just go and study this one that we talk about today. So maybe tomorrow or next tomorrow, when you guys understand this one very well, then we'll talk about structural liquidity. So we're talking about types of liquidity. We have the external range liquidity and structural liquidity, and where you can find liquidity. We have trend line liquidity, swing high and swing lows liquidity, and equal highs or equal low liquidity. So those, you guys should go and find them and send them to me, and we'll talk about the structural liquidity another time. And Daniel, you do not do assignments. Teji did not do the assignment. I don't know. And you guys are not doing it the way even this thing, even Chris, you're not doing it the way I want you to do it. You're just showing me one picture. I want you to go like multiple pairs. Like when you're back testing, go into multiple pairs. Let me see that you're really focused on the craft. It's not just about one pair. You go into multiple pair. Like you send me 10, 15 pictures. Let me see that you are really taking your time analyzing and finding what I'm teaching you. Just one picture is not enough for me to be convinced that you understand what you are saying. And you guys have this opportunity because I haven't really start like how will I say it? I'm not super 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 big yet, so I have time to actually teach you guys, like teach you very 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 well. When I get to a stage where I don't really have time already, like those people are really not going to be, you get, those people are really not going to be seeing all these things that I'm telling you that I'm giving you. I'll just be telling you, go and do this, go and do this, go and do this. So, and that's it. So please, like now that I have the time, you guys should take advantage of this time. Like you should take advantage of it. Try to make it work for you. Yeah, that's all for today. So we can call it just call it today. I've even forgotten that I was streaming. I've started doing another thing. So yeah, see you guys in the next video, and please do your assignment, please. All right, bye bye.